How to set up Poketwo bot in Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first head over to your Google and then simply search for Poketwo for Discord. Simply tap on this website. And then after that, simply go to join community. It will lead you to your Discord application and you will be done. After you have set up this, simply tap on accept invite, and yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.